Today we are making Easter air fryer turkey tsukune with a glossy Tare Glaze. It takes about 40 minutes and serves 4 people. Shaped like little eggs, it is a spring-friendly Japanese bite that is crisp outside and juicy inside. Let's cook. 1 pound ground turkey. This is the juicy base for our tsukune. 1 large egg. It binds the mixture and adds richness. 1/2 cup panko breadcrumbs. This keeps the tsukune tender and light. 1 tablespoon potato starch. It helps the mixture hold together. 2 green onions, finely sliced. They bring fresh onion flavor. 1 tablespoon grated fresh ginger. Warm and aromatic. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Adds depth and savoriness. 5 tablespoons soy sauce, divided. 4 for the glaze and 1 for the mixture. 3 tablespoons sake, divided. 2 for the glaze and 1 for the mixture. 4 tablespoons mirin. This adds gentle sweetness and shine. 2 tablespoons sugar. It balances the salty glaze. 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Just a hint for nutty aroma. About 10 sprays cooking oil spray. This helps the tsukune brown in the air fryer. 1 teaspoon finely grated yuzu zest, optional. A bright spring finish. 1 teaspoon toasted sesame seeds. For a nutty crunch on top. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. In a small saucepan, combine 4 tablespoons soy sauce, 4 tablespoons mirin, 2 tablespoons sake, and 2 tablespoons sugar to make a Tare Glaze. Bring the glaze to a gentle simmer and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring, until it lightly coats a spoon. Take it off the heat to cool. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 degrees Celsius, for 5 minutes. Lightly coat the basket with oil spray. In a large bowl, add 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 large egg, 1/2 cup of panko, and 1 tablespoon of potato starch. Add 2 finely sliced green onions, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and 2 minced garlic cloves. Season the mixture with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sake, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix with a spoon or your hand until sticky and well combined. Let the turkey mixture rest for 5 minutes so the panko hydrates and the texture firms slightly. Lightly spray your hands with oil, divide the mixture into 12 equal portions, and shape each into a small oval, like a little egg. Spray both sides of the ovals lightly with oil spray to promote browning. Arrange half of the ovals in the preheated air fryer basket without crowding, and cook for 6 to 7 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or 200 degrees Celsius. Flip the ovals, brush the tops with a thin layer of Tare Glaze, and cook for 4 to 5 more minutes, until deep golden and the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, or 74 degrees Celsius. Repeat with the remaining ovals, cooking the second batch the same way and brushing with glaze after flipping. Transfer the cooked tsukune to a bowl and toss or brush with 1 to 2 tablespoons more glaze, then let them rest for 2 minutes. Plate the tsukune, sprinkle with 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds and, if you like, 1 teaspoon of yuzu zest. Serve with extra glaze for dipping. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Crispy, glossy, and ready for Easter. If you enjoyed this tsukune, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a new recipe.